Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video I'm going to show you how to connect a new bank account onto eBay. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to start getting paid via a new bank account. How do you actually connect that new bank account to eBay? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now the first thing that we're going to do is hop onto our eBay app. Next, on the bottom right hand corner, you want to click on selling. Afterwards, you want to click on payments, your total funds. So my example is $4.18. Afterwards, you want to click on payout schedule daily. And then from here, you want to click on payout method. Once you click on payout method, you want to click on add payout method, which is that plus icon. So this is where you're going to connect a new bank account or a debit card. You're just going to click on bank account and then follow the on-screen prompts in order to connect a new bank account to eBay. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect a new bank account to eBay as a payment method. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.